Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today, if you look in the background, you can see a lot of snow here. So this is our first big snowstorm in 2022, and in fact for this winter. So it's not that bad. So I'm just gonna give you a glimpse of how it is after the snowstorm has passed. This is my son. Please clean your car with both hands. And there is my husband with the snowblower. Hello. So this is my neighbor. She's doing her part. We all have to do our part, right? When it's snowing. This is my neighborhood. And this is how, when it's after the snow finished falling, everybody will come out and play. Hi neighbor, good morning. How are you?
I'm all right. How you doing?
Happy New Year, by the way.
you.
I haven't seen you since the New Year started.
I know.
Okay, you take care. Okay, so some people did their cleaning already and some did not. So if you look all the way at the end, there are some boys walking with their snow shovel. Yeah, those boys, like, if you don't want to clean or you can't clean your area, you can pay someone and they would clean it for you. So they're actually looking for jobs. And just to let you know, when it's snowing like this, it's not that cold. Hello. It's like, huh?
Big snow?
Big snow, yeah.
Little snow.
I know, right? Yeah, it's not that cold, but like a few days after, that's when it's gonna be cold. If it gets windy, then it's cold also. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little tour in this area here. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Thank you.
Nice exercise, right?
Exercise. Can't break.
So these are the guys I was telling you about. And if you look here, this is someone salting after you clean out the big snow. Hi. She's throwing some salt so that it melts easily. So you will not get no ice at the bottom. So if you look all the way, some people are using the spade and then some are using the snowblower. Look at these two. These are my neighbors. So trying to are so noisy. Oh my goodness. Hi, Jav. You can't just wave? You just can't wave? So my son is a bit angry. He had to come out of his bed to help. And also he's a bit lazy too. The snow looks like hard work, but it's not that much. If the rain fall on it, or if you have like rain, snow, and it's heavy, then it becomes hard work. But if not, this is not that hard. It's a good exercise. Hello. You can take them off. Okay guys, so this is my neighborhood after a snowstorm. This is the cleanup part of it. I'm giving you a little glimpse of. You want to say something about the cold?
No.
It's cold?
Nope.
Nice weather, right? Where? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do subscribe. You can drop a comment about the snow in your area, if it does have any. And also please share my videos so more people can view. Thank you very much.